If you've been wondering how to rank your Fiverr gig to rank on the first page on Fiverr to get massive order every other day or every other week or every other month, now in this video today, I'm going to break it down to you step by step on how you can rank your Fiverr gig to the very first page and get the order that you deserve. And this is not something that you need to crack your brain about. I will show you exact step by step process right now in this video, and you can easily copy all of these things for yourself and do it for yourself on your account immediately after watching this video. So all I want you to do right now is to like this video, share with your friend, subscribe to this channel, and let's get to 4,000 subscribers before this month ends. So with this, we can do more together and also share more knowledge and business strategy and also any other online side hustle that can make us money in the online space as of today, right? So if all of this being said, guys, I want you to like this video, like I said, share with your friend, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to click the first link in the description below to join my WhatsApp community. So there we can easily answer different questions before coming over to comment section on here on YouTube, right? So if all of this being said, guys, I want you guys to pay close attention to me right now and follow this process. And if you don't understand any of this process, you can drop your comment about it in the comment section and we attend to it, or you can join the WhatsApp community with the first link in the description below. All right, so and every information that I'm going to use in this video, I will have it in a Google link that is going to be linked to the description of this video. So if all of this being said, now let's get over to the screen and let's work on all of this process together right now in this video. Right now, the very first thing that you need to do is to identify the kind of service that you want to sell. Now, you know, we have niche, we have sub niche on Fiverr, right? So let me go over to Fiverr right here so I can show you what this means. Assuming we want to do a service like ebook ghostwriting. Now, this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to come over to search bar and make sure you are doing this not on the same browser that your Fiverr account is logged in, or you can easily open guest account or maybe an incognito browser to perform all of this action. All right, now assuming I want to do ebook ghostwriting, this is what I'm going to do right here. I'm just going to come over here and I put ebook, okay, ghostwriting. All right, so ebook ghostwriting, so book and ebook ghostwriting, that's what I want to do. So if I search that right now, you can see 17,000 plus people are doing this, but you don't need to be bothered about this particular number because we are doing something really crazy right now. You can see right here, we have some of these people, top rated people right now. So the very first thing you need to do from here is to like have ChatGPT on. Okay, so once you have your ChatGPT on like this, now you are going to come over to that browser tab. Now you are going to copy all of these things. You are going to copy all of these titles from the first person. You are going to highlight everything to the last person on the front page. On the front page, those are the people that they are ranking. So you make sure you are going to end it on the last person. All right, so I'm just going to copy that. Now you are going to come over to ChatGPT, easy peasy. Now you are going to tell ChatGPT, okay, I want to set up a Fiverr gig in, or let me say about book, okay, about book and ebook ghostwriting, okay, ghostwriting. Right now, I want this to rank on the first page on Fiverr. So, and I don't want okay to start up all over, okay, by myself. So we will be leveraging on people that are doing this already, and they are on the front okay, front page. So this is how we want to start. I will paste all gig title that shows up on the front page now, and with this I want you to write a winning gig title for my own gig. I want you to write a winning title for my own gig from all of this. Okay, let me say, after analyzing all of the gig titles. So let me know if you understand this, so I can paste them and we move from there. Okay, so once you put that in, so you are preparing ChatGPT already to understand the process that we want to use. You can see right now, the next thing you are going to do is to paste everything that you copy on Fiverr, right? So you are going to paste it right there. Then you are going to click on that. Once you enter that, you are going to see all of these things. So it's going to analyze it and it's going to give you the top focus keyword and everything. So right now, is after analyzing all of these things, is going to like give you the perfect title that you can use for your gig title. We are going to see this is like structural pattern that they use. So start your title and everything, right? So you can see recommendation, you have to like option B. Now final title recommendation, this is where you are going. This is where you are going. So you can see like this is I will go straight to your fiction or non-fiction ebook and be your expert book writer. So this is like focused with top ranking buyer appeal ranking. You can see Fiverr SEO ranking and professional buyer appeal. So this is what I will use for my gig title. Now that we have our gig title, right? Now let's proceed to how we can get our gig description, which is very, very important. So we are going to do something different about that. Now this is the one you are going to do. Before you go over to Fiverr again, you are going to come over right here. You can see you are going to go over to Google. You are going to put add Fiverrlytics to Chrome. So this is what's going to give you this particular extension, Fiverr Quick View, and this one right here, Fiverr Data. All right, so these two, if I come over right here on Google and I'm just going to type add, okay, Fiverr quick view to Chrome. All right, so this is extension that is going to help us write this gig description for better ranking. Now you can see you are going to add this. So once you go over right here, you are going to see this one as well. This is Fiverr Data. So you are going to add the two. Okay, so once you add the two, what the two does is like is going to like show you all of this information you are seeing right here. So this is like the top focus keyword, right? Now you are going to do something when you want to write your gig description right now. What you need to do is to copy these top focus keywords. Now you are going to copy it right there. Now you are going to tell ChatGPT under the same chart. Now you are going to say, okay, fine, we have the gig title. All right, you have the gig title already. All right, and now let's talk about the gig description. All right, so you are going to tell ChatGPT, right? Will you like he said, will you like me to analyze the top ranking so we can write the best one? Now I said you are going to analyze. All right, let me put that, you are going to analyze top ranking gig description with the information with you, and now I will I will paste top focus search tag keyword for this gig. So you can stuff that in and write a winning and Fiverr SEO ranking, okay, SEO ranking gig description for this gig. Now let me know if I should paste this. Now you send that, so you are going to wait a little bit to assimilate that information, right? So once we are going to like paste that in, you are going to see it's going to say drop your keyword and we will build hierarchy gig description. Now I'm going to paste all of the keywords, right? So all you need to do now is to send. Now you are going to wait. You are going to see it's going to analyze everything and it's going to like show the top one. And here I will craft a fully optimized Fiverr gig description. That's okay. You can see that waves it to top tags and search engine. Now you are going to see this is the gig description. Are you searching for? You can see it stuffs all of the keywords. So now this is different from your gig search tag. Now I'm going to tell you what to do about your gig search tag so everything can work together. So this is your gig description, right, that you can use on Fiverr. Now these are the things that you can see right here. So these are, so after all of this is done, now this might be longer than what Fiverr can take, which is 1,200 character. So all you need to do is to tell ChatGPT, now you can tell this, okay, this is more than what Fiverr gig description can take. So write it in 1,600, or let me say 1,500, or if it's 1,002, which I think, I'm not sure, maybe 1,200, or yeah, 1,200. So I'm going to put it 1,200 characters. So once you have that, it's going to rewrite it with the same information and you are going to see it's still going to rank. Now you are going to see right there, so it's writing it, are you looking for a skilled, everything right there. Now it's not end, this doesn't end, this doesn't end, this doesn't end, now this doesn't end. Now I want us to do something to make this crazy a little bit. Now aside making it keyword optimized, now make it client focused and use metrics. Also start with something catchy and engaging. All right, so once I put that in, it's going to rewrite again. Instead of earlier one that I said, are you looking for? Now you are going to see, so let me reload this and let's see what we are going to have right now. So you can see, so it's still talking about it. Now here is going to like start with something meaningful. Now I said use metrics because I want metrics is like results, but I don't want you to mention results. That's why I said metrics. Now you can see your book idea deserve more than word, it deserves results. I am a professional ebook ghostwriter and with over 500,000 plus blah 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 blah, and everything is going to put down here. So you are still going to tell ChatGPT now this is not perfect yet. All you need to do now is like, I don't want it to be so focused on me. Now write it to be extremely client focus, and also their pain points tackled. All right. So once I put it right there, their pain points tackled. So it's going to rewrite that. It's going to rewrite that. You are going to see it's going to rewrite that. You can see I don't want to structure, I don't do this, I don't do this. Now you are going to see you've got the idea, but then kinika as a ghostwriter, you can see your finished book will be my professional written edited. Now you don't just talk about yourself, you talk about their benefits and what you are going to be doing. And their own benefit again is like you will save time, avoid kinika. Now the next thing you are going to say, like, end this with a catchy call to action. End this with a catchy call to action. All right. So once I put that in, it's going to like have everything rewriting again, and you are going to see what we have at the end of this. All right. So you are going to see this. Now you are going to see everything. So it's still writing. So now it's talking about what they will save, which is part of their benefit. And let's bring your story to life. Order now and get your words working for you. It's very, very simple. All you need to do now is to copy this and use this in your Fiverr gig description. It's just something basically simple. All you need to do, just edit, move all of this thing right there, and to go. Use message me before you place order. Order now. Let them order now so you can get to the work. Now the last thing, which is going to be your search tag, this is how you are going to do it. Now you're going to say, with all of this information with you, now give me 5 search tag to use in my gig search bar. Okay, so once you have that, it's going to give you what you will use in your search bar. Okay, you are going to see ebook ghostwriter, book writer, non-fiction ghostwriter, and KDP ebook writing and fiction ghostwriting. So everything is done. Now it's left to you to design a good, catchy Fiverr gig thumbnail. And if you want me to teach that on this channel, I will basically do that. Now you need to make a request for that. Drop your comment in the comment section if you want me to create how to create a winning and catchy gig image on Fiverr. Drop it in the comment section and let me know. But before I can shoot that video, we must have crossed 4,000 subscribers on this channel. So you want to like now, subscribe, and share to your friends so we can grow to that number. Exactly, right? Now, if all of this being said, guys, if you need any video about any particular thing on how to work online, just make the request in the comment section, and once I get a lot of demand about that, I'm going to shoot the video. And in my forthcoming video, I will be sharing how to set up a Fiverr account, although I've made a video which is showing right here. But if you feel like that doesn't work for you again, I'm going to share an updated one in my subsequent video. So like this video, share with your friends, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification, and you can be notified anytime I drop an every video like this. So if you don't know how to create Fiverr account, I've said just click on this video right now, go and create your Fiverr account and use this metric to rank it. All right, so let's go. I will see you in the next video. Till then, guys, stay at peace. Bye bye.